Hello and welcome to another day in the glorious year of the beast. And today we are checking in to a beast installed at an education site in the Western Cape, where they are running a pilot project about assisting the national grid by exporting power to the grid during peak hours. So it's 6:30 in the evening at the time of this recording, and we can see that this Fox Beast is busy exporting power to the grid from the battery, with the last remnants of the solar being produced during the day. So if we have a look at the quick settings on FoxCloud 2.0, and we pop down to mode scheduler, and we check in on the back end of the system, you can see there is a forced charge up till 5 in the morning, and then a forced discharge during the peak times up till 9, and then the same forced discharge during the peak times again in the evening. So after that, you can see they are charging when the grid usage decreases from 9 o'clock in the evening. And if we have a look down here to the graph and we want to see what that actually looks like in the real world, you can see that the batteries were not being used only to meet the base load in the building up till the peak time in the morning. And then you can see the SOC rapidly decreasing as they continually exporting 20 to 30 kilowatts of power to the grid. And through the day, the solar is recharging the battery. And then in the evening, again, you can see the same, basically pushing 30 kilowatts of power onto the grid and then charging again during the cheaper off-peak times. So incredible to see how battery energy storage systems are changing our world and supporting the grid. So I wanted to thank all of our partners out there for making the Year of the Beast such a success. So incredibly grateful, and let's go Fox!